When removing or replacing a motor wheel, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. I suggest using an electric one if you have one. Place the unit on something to hold the wheel off the ground. Then remove the 6 screws that hold the wheel to the motor. Rotate the motor cover counterclockwise. Now pull the wheel off of the motor. When putting the wheel back on, rotate the motor cover clockwise as far as it will go, then back it up counterclockwise until the screw holes in the front are staggered with the screw holes on the back plate. Slide the wheel onto the motor, then rotate the front motor cover clockwise to lock the wheel in place and line up the front and back screw holes. Now just reinstall and tighten the 6 wheel screws and the motor wheel replacement is complete.